Welcome back to part 2 of our front yard transformation with Garden Goods Direct, America's online garden center. Here's a breakdown on the plants we ordered. I'll list everything in the caption below to make it easier if you'd like to refer back to my personal favorites. For full transparency, I've never ordered plants online before and wasn't sure what to expect, but everything arrived in perfect condition. Here is a look at the flower beds before we got started. As you can see, this was a larger scale project. We wanted the flower beds on either side of the front entry to be symmetrical, and we also had the entire length of the white fence to figure out, but it all came together so well, and ordering the plants online made it so much easier and affordable. One of my favorite touches was the arbor. We surrounded this with climbing hydrangea bushes and then added Annabelle hydrangeas along the fence with a dogwood tree tucked in the corner. Along the house, we added limelight hydrangeas staggered with the other plants. I am so excited to watch this space grow, bloom, and flourish over the years, and am especially excited to see the climbing hydrangeas take off.